Okay, so we are talking about the bond energies. That is basically the energy which is needed to make or break a bond, right? And what are the units? Its units are kilojoules per mole, right?
Yeah.
So to calculate this bond energy, I have given you this formula that this bond energy calculation is going to be equal to the energy taken in minus the energy taken out, right? So that means
Yep.
energy that is being absorbed or taken in is associated with the bond breaking process, right?
Yep.
Because bond breaking is always the endothermic process and bond making is always the exothermic process. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so the reaction that we had just looked earlier, that is the formation of hydrochloric acid by hydrogen and chlorine. So we can see we have one molecule of hydrogen which is made up of two hydrogen atoms, and we have two molecules of chlorine that are made up of two chlorine atoms, and we have two molecules of hydrogen chloride, which is the result, which is the product, and we have two molecules of it, right? So we are going to calculate the bond energy for it. So let's see. First of all, we are going to calculate the energy taken in. Let me get some more space, 1 second. So we are gonna calculate the energy taken in first of all. So this energy taken in involves your one hydrogen molecule, right? And one
Yeah.
chlorine molecule, right? So we can see it from the data booklet or the values for these bond energies that for one hydrogen bond energy, it's basically equal to 436 kilojoules, right?
Yep.
And for the chlorine, it is equal to 242 kilojoules, right? So this is the data which will be either given in the question or you would have to look at it from the data booklet in the exam. So what is our total energy taken in if we just simply add them up? Can you add them up and tell me what would be the answer? 436.
678 kilojoules.
Yeah, that's right. So it's going to be 678 kilojoules in that case. So now if you look at the energy taken out, so energy taken out.
Will be absorbed, right? Wait, no.
Yeah, energy taken out
Yeah,
will be for the
absorbed.
making bonds, that would be exothermic, and we have just two hydrogen chloride bonds involved in it. So we have two
Yep.
HCl bonds, and your total energy for one HCl bond is 862. Okay, it's actually 431. The total will be 862, so it's 431. So we are going to do 2 times 431 because we have two molecules, right? So this is something that's going to give us 862 kilojoules, right, in
Yep.
total. Okay, so 862 kilojoules in total in that case. So what is your total bond energy in that case? Energy in minus energy out. Apply the formula. So energy in is what? Energy in minus
Energy
energy
in
out.
is 678, and
Yeah.
then energy out is 860. That is
Hmm.
negative. Wait,
What does it
give me a
equates
sec.
to? Yeah.
Let me quickly write it down.
It's giving me negative 184 kilojoules. Is that
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Negative 184.
Yeah. And this negative symbol is pretty important, as we know, that this negative symbol is actually indicating that it's going to be an exothermic reaction, right? Okay, so that means that the total energy change for this reaction is exothermic in nature. That means it is releasing heat energy. All right,
Yeah. Endo is like cold.
absorbing.
Wait. Yeah.
Endo has a positive sign, remember? So endo has a positive sign and exothermic has a negative sign, right?
Yeah.